Looking for the best air fryer to make crispy, delicious meals with less oil? With so many choices available, picking the right one can be tough. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 air fryers you should buy, ranked based on performance, features, and value. In the description, you can find links to the air fryers mentioned in this video. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5, we have the Ninja Foodi Air Fryer. If you want an all-in-one cooking machine, this is a fantastic choice. The Ninja Foodi is more than just an air fryer. It can also roast, dehydrate, and even pressure cook with some models. It features dual baskets, allowing you to cook 2 different foods at once, making meal prep faster and more convenient. The only downside? It's a bit bulky, so if you have a small kitchen, you might need extra counter space. But for versatility and power, the Ninja Foodi is a great pick. At number 4, we have the Panasonic Air Fryer. Known for its innovative heating technology, this air fryer uses infrared heat to cook food evenly without needing to preheat. One of its standout features is the precise temperature control, allowing you to air fry, bake, or reheat with accuracy. Plus, its compact design makes it perfect for small kitchens or apartments. However, it doesn't have a dual-zone cooking option, which means you can only cook one type of food at a time. But if you want an air fryer with smart heating and an efficient design, the Panasonic Air Fryer is a great choice. Taking the 3rd spot is the Emeril Lagasse Dual Zone 360 Air Fryer. This is not just an air fryer, it's a full convection oven with multiple cooking levels, making it ideal for large families. It features dual cooking zones and a 360-degree air circulation system, meaning you get evenly cooked meals every time. Whether you're making pizza, steak, or rotisserie chicken, this air fryer can handle it all. The only con? It's a bit pricey compared to standard air fryers. But if you want a chef-quality cooking experience, this one is worth the investment. Coming in at number 2, we have the Typher Dome Air Fryer, one of the most advanced air fryers on the market. With a revolutionary dome-shaped design, this air fryer provides turbo-speed cooking, making food 50% faster than traditional models. The extra-large capacity allows you to cook bigger meals without sacrificing crispiness. The only drawback? It's a bit more expensive than most air fryers. But if you want the fastest, most high-tech air frying experience, the Typher Dome is an amazing choice. And finally, at number 1, we have the Breville Joule Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. This is the ultimate smart air fryer, featuring Wi-Fi connectivity, app control, and voice command compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant. It's not just an air fryer, it's a full smart oven with 13 cooking functions, including dehydrate, slow cook, and pizza mode. It uses Element IQ system technology, which adjusts the heat dynamically for the best cooking results. The only downside? It's expensive. But if you want the best of the best, the Breville Joule Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is the ultimate choice. So, there you have it, the top 5 air fryers. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more kitchen tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!